Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach you how to make DB schedule. So before learning DB schedule, we have to understand what is DB schedule. The schedule, the list of schedule that we will prepare, how these devices connected to this DB and what circuit and some extra details. So if you have a DB schedule, then you can order this DB properly, otherwise it will be a big problem. So DB schedule will be very important. So I have one template. This is DB schedule template. So if you see here, you will see here rating of RCD, RCB. That meaning this breaker actually will break, meaning switch off when it is reach 100 milliampere. If anyone gets shock, if it is go more than 100 milliampere, it will be break. So there is in this side the breaker, there is some technical terms. So general understanding, if you get shock, if it is reach more than 100 milliampere, it will break. And this is serial number, and this one R1, Y1, B1. So this is very important. R1 means red one, yellow one, blue one. So if you Google like you type distribution board, as I search here distribution board, one of the image you can find like this. So if you see here, this is one of SMDB. So you see here there is a breaker here, see this one, breakers. So you see here this is connected blue, yellow, red. So if you see here, there is 3 bars. You see here red bar, blue bar, yellow bar, blue bar. So the red wire is connected directly to the red bar, and then yellow to the yellow bar, blue to the blue bar. So you see here, this meaning here R1, Y1 and the B1. So you see here, this is the 3-phase breaker, but if you go to the single breaker, so here I cannot, you see this one, it will be separated. This will be separate, and then this will be separate, this will be separate. Single breakers. And I hope understand. So if you come down here, this is the MCCB, the main breaker. This is the main breaker. You see there in the right side 250 ampere incoming. So if you go down here, so there is no cable connected. So the big cable will be connected here. This is SMDB, but same, you will see DB same, but you will just see this one all hidden. And if you see here, this is the neutral bar. The neutral cable will be connected here, and there will be another bar beside here inside the DB, normally the earth bar, same like this here. And this is the DB will look like. So if you see here, this one R1, Y1, B1, and the other side will be R2, Y2, B2. I hope you understand how the DB will look like. And I found another one. This is also DB. You see here, this is also same type, but different model. So this one can be changed country to country. The DB models can be changed. So if you see in my country, I am from Sri Lanka, it will be not like this. It's just one normal DB with single phase, meaning in my country we will not have 3-phase, but single phase, only red. But in Qatar, I am currently working in Qatar. In Qatar we mostly use this type of DBs. So this is SMDB, you see here, and I hope there is no DB here. So see, this is also SMDB. You see here, this is SMDB types, and there will be a DB, I hope, and this is one of DB. You see here, how I know this is SMDB DB, by if you have a good experience by seeing the DB, you will understand very fast. So I Google more, and this is, I think, will help you. Okay, we will click it. Yeah, this is also distribution board. Okay, this one I can zoom, I think. Okay. Okay, see this one, this is separated. So this one R1, Y1, B1, R2, Y2, B2. This is how we configure. So this is how many way dB? Let's say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 way dB. This is a 6 way dB. 6 way dB means 18 breakers, that meaning 6 red, 6 yellow, 6 blue. And here you know how internally connected, same like this, you see here same like this, here also connected but behind this plate. So if I go to the other side, yeah, so this one again will cover like this. So here you see here they mention if you see here, here you see L1, L2, L3, L1, L2, L3, L1, L2, L3. This is just American standard. But if you see British standard, it will be R1, Y1, B1, R2, Y2, B2, something like that. I hope you understand. Now let's go to the DB schedule. Let's fill the DB schedule. Let's understand the DB schedule first. So I hope you understand red, yellow, blue. Now this is CT ranking, meaning the breaker amperage. So again I will go to the Google. I hope I can tell you from here. You see, and I think not visible, but generally the breaker amperage, this breaker amperage, meaning this breaker may be 10 ampere, 20 ampere, 32 ampere, it's depend. And let's go to the Google again. Let's type electrical breaker. Okay, this is also yes. Here you see this 8 ampere, 20 ampere, 32 ampere. This is the here what we'll type, and this is our wire size, what wire size we will going to use, and this is earthing size, and this one is a description, and you will little bit you will know what we will type. And then this is here the load, let's go here, it's a load like 13 ampere single socket, twin socket, something like this, and this is the RYB load and diversity factor and the demand load, and here will be single unit load. You will understand when I am typing. Okay, let's start one circuit. Okay, if you go to the AutoCAD, so ground floor, so let's start this guy, it's a B5, so let me highlight first, so I will know which I have finished. Yeah, let's go for the red. So let's start this one DB GF B5. Before that one we will do something. So let's consider this one Villa 1. Okay, so we will go here, let's fill something here. The project, maybe we will type Villa 10 Sri Lanka project. DBGF dash actually GF Villa dash number 1. Location, let's put Sri Lanka. And let's come here. So we will put same name here, dbgf here also. So feed from still not decided. I have decided this one from the drawing. Cable side I cannot put now because I have to calculate the load, and also incoming breaker I have to calculate the load. So that one will be later. Here we can put some our company logo, any logo you want. If you know Excel very well and go inside image, you can put a logo. So let's go for the B5. Where is B5? So I have B5 here, yeah. And I will highlight this one for quick finding. So let's go for the drawing. So I have B5, so I have used 4 mm cable plus 2.25. So how many sockets I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, meaning 3 number twin socket, 1 number single. So I will go here. So I will type 13 ampere. Okay, let's make black. Okay, 13 ampere. Let's go for the capital. I hope you can see this one. 13 ampere electrical sockets at what's the room name? Room 3. Room dash 3. So I have 13 ampere electrical socket at room 3. So how many twin socket I have? 2. Sorry, I think 3. Yeah, 3 twin socket. So if we see here, 13 ampere twin socket outlet. So this one, this load as per the project can be changed because this is general calculating load, but standard I will tell you. But before going to standard, I will just come here. Let's freeze this fan. Click here, view, freeze, so I can see. So this one I have 3 sockets and this one I have 1 socket. Very easy. So here RCC rating amp. So this is socket. So generally in Qatar we use 32 ampere breaker. So we will put 32 amps. So the wiring we use 4 mm. So we will use 4 mm. Let's go for the simple. And here 2.5 mm. So should be square. So I am doing in my laptop, so I cannot use the shortcut. You can press Alt 0178, it will come here. So let's, for now I will put it like this. So if I go here, so this is the line. So I will tell you this remark, we will put ring circuit, because in Qatar the circuit should be written. So I think if you see the drawing, you will see here this is in and return also. That's why it is 4 by 4 mm, because 2 by 4 mm coming like this and return like this. Then actually here is the 4 by 4 mm. That doesn't mean here 4 mm, 4 cables. Actually 4 plus 2, 6 cables, meaning 3 here, 3 here. I hope if you go my video from the beginning, you will understand this one. I don't want to repeat that one. So what will come here? So this is B5, so the load will become here. So if you go here in the general, the single socket general we use 100 watts. So let's change 100 watts. Sorry, 1000. This one is 200 watts. So 13 ampere 2 inch socket. So this is I change here. This is general, but some project they will tell you to consider different boards uh, for the project spec, as per project specs. So I don't want to play with the project spec here. Yes, we will go for the standard. So I have here 100 and here 3, meaning 600, then it will be 700. So here I will put, I think here correctly, 700 watts. So what is this? This is called diversity factor. So this is already we made formula. If you double click this one, or actually here, it will multiple this one. So 0.60. How I got this 0.60? If you go to the Kahrama regulation, if you type here, Qatar, Kahrama meaning electrical, it's in Arabic, Qatar, Kahrama regulation. You enter, it will be changed, this is the correct rate. It will change country to country. If you go to the all, you will see one PDF book. So let's go for the Kahrama safety rule. I think this one, download. No need, I went to the wrong one. Sorry, I should go to the first one. Electricity Kahrama, this one. Okay, this is electricity wiring code 2018. They are using 2018. Even you see here 2016, it's a mistake. So let's save this one. Right click, save as, and I will go to the desktop, AutoCAD class. Let's save here. Okay, now I will open this one. Okay, I don't want to open from here. Let's go to the desktop. AutoCAD class. Now I have to search where I saved. You can see my old desktop. I think I didn't save in the desktop. I save in the no, not in the D also. Where did I save? Right click, save as. I couldn't find. Okay, no problem. Right click here, open. It will open in the PDF viewer. Okay, it's open, and this is a Revo. It's a best software for the PDF editing. It's very nice. So let's go for the search. Yeah, it's here. I will go here, diversity, let's make diversity table. No, not this one. So let's zoom in. Okay, there's many diversity vectors. Let's go with the table. I think I remember Mm. Okay, now this is a small table. So in this book you can find many things. Okay, I found it. So here you see general loads, light and socket 60%, air condition 90%, cooker 40%, water heater 30%, other 50%. And you have to remember, if you are working in Qatar or if you are going to work in Qatar, always this will change. So you have to keep update every time. But if you are in other country, you have to follow their standard rules. You can, in this Karama book you can find everything what you want related to electrical. Even you can calculate the cable also. So let's go for the schedule again. I don't want to waste your more time. So that's why here 0.60. The same way you have to fill everything. Yes, you will go here. So let's go for the AC now, Y8. So I will go Y8. Let's go Y8 here. So this one I will go also 32 ampere, or you can go for the 20 ampere also. Because why? Because this one 32 ampere, we don't know what you will plug. So this one is, we know the load already. So this one we will go for the 6 mm wire. Let's copy this one. Let's paste here. So here I need 6 mm because of the AC, and this one also I need 6 mm. So here same split unit. Let's change the color. Just click this one. Split unit AC at room dash 3. So if you come here, so this one is 30 milliampere, yes, and this one not 100, this one should be 30 also. So 100 milliampere normally will be for light. So let's come here. So this one for the AC, we don't here have AC here. So we have FCU, that means fan coil unit. You will understand that one later. Let's make this one split unit. So a split unit normally will be 1200 per ton. If you have 1 ton, it will be 1.2 kilowatts. It's a general, not accurate. If you want accurate, and you have to go with the catalog. So for me now I am considering everything 1200. So we can do like this. This is for 1 ton, and this is 2 ton, 3 ton, 4 ton, something like that. So here I will put one nose. So the load will be 1200. So this one 1200. And here also 1200. No, it's Y8. So here 1200. So this will be 720, but this is 0.60. let's go to the Kaharama air condition 0.90, so I have to change this one 0.90, so the load will be 1080. Something like this you have to fill all the dBs. Okay, I won't want to show one by one. I hope you understand. This is also 30 milliampere, and you know how to fill the dB. And I will just stop my video for current timing, and I will fill this one. After I finish, I will resume the recording, then you will go from there. So if I stop now and suddenly resume, you will see everything fill very fast. You will be confused, so that's why I am telling. So I will now stop recording. Otherwise, if I take record while I filling this everything, it will be more time. I don't want to waste your time. So I hope you understand. Let's few minutes we will meet. So first, I already filled something, and this is some I filled already, but I will continue with the other part. Let's go with the second part after filling everything this one, and until that you can practice yourself also, and you can check with my other video and you have done correctly or not. Take care. Bye.